Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make pizza in 5 easy steps. Before starting I would like to advise you wash your hands properly for prevention of COVID-19. So, let's start. And first, roll your homemade dough or ready-made dough. After this add your favorite sauces on dough. Third point is amazing. Add your favorite toppings like vegan or non-vegans. After this add cheese on it. At last bake it in over 550 degree temperature, for 10 minutes. Your pizza is ready, enjoy it. Wait a minute, this is a recipe fail, and you are staying at home, you would go to store for grabbing grocery, but you can't due to corona breakdown. Stay home. Stay alive. Not forget to like, share and subscribe.